Welcome to a new exciting episode of the latest automotive news. Today we've got some thrilling updates from 2025 Honda Civic that are sure to get you revved up. If you're a fan of hybrids and electric vehicles, you won't want to miss out on this one. Honda is making a move that many have anticipated, and it's all about the return of the beloved Civic Hybrid. That's right. The Civic Hybrid is making a comeback for the 2025 model year, and we've got the scoop for you. Details about the new Civic Hybrid are still somewhat under wraps, but here's what we do know. Honda has confirmed that it will be available in both sedan and hatchback variants, catering to a wider range of preferences. The production schedule is already in motion, with the sedan set to start production in 2024 at Honda's facility in Alliston, Ontario. The hatchback version will follow shortly after, coming off the assembly line at the company's factory in Indiana. Now, you might be wondering why Honda is bringing back a hybrid to the Civic lineup. Well, there's a compelling reason behind this move. Honda has already established the hybrid variant as the pinnacle of their Accord lineup, and with the recent introduction of Honda's Prologue, the brand is making a significant push towards electrified and electric vehicles. Leveraging one of Honda's most iconic nameplates, the Civic, is a strategic and straightforward decision. So, what can you expect under the hood of the new Civic Hybrid? Honda has revealed that it will be equipped with a 2.0-liter Atkinson inline-four engine and a two-motor hybrid system. While we can't confirm if the Civic Hybrid will have a unique tune, we can draw insights from the CR-V Hybrid, which utilizes the same 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder and hybrid system to deliver an impressive 204 horsepower to the wheels. But keep in mind, we're still in the dark about some of the finer details. Honda has promised to unveil more information as the Civic Hybrid gets closer to its release date. So stay tuned for updates as we approach this exciting moment. The return of the Civic Hybrid marks an exciting chapter for Honda and eco-conscious drivers alike. With its sleek design and advanced hybrid technology, the 2025 Civic Hybrid is set to be a game-changer in the world of hybrid vehicles. As we inch closer to its release, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, as we'll be bringing you all the latest updates and in-depth reviews on this highly anticipated hybrid. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.